Oh, the power of the mala beads. They're so beautiful now. You can wear them as jewelry. They're also very beneficial and have been used for a really, really long time. You just run your fingers over the beads. There's 108 of them. And you just say something beautiful, positive. Maybe you want to do a mantra. Maybe you just want to say Om. This vibration is really good for you. You can do Satnam, which is my truth, my identity. And just close your eyes. Whatever it is you want to say. Run your finger, say it, and do it 108 times. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Say that enough times, and it's going to start to feel very true to you. And that is the power of the mala. Just go all the way through. It takes 5 minutes, maybe 10 if you have a longer mantra. I like to say, I love, honor, and attend myself. That takes about 10 minutes. Make this a part of your daily routine. It'll change the way you think about everything.